Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure the game build exactly matches the Chaos Cosmos release and back up your saves immediately. Once done, disable any other mods that commonly conflict so you isolate the issue. Next, verify the installation path and run a quick file integrity check. Corrupted files cause load failures. Finally, install or repair required runtimes like Visual C++, redistributable, so the mod has the libraries it needs to initialize. Now you perform the detailed fixes. Delete cached or user config files so the mod can create fresh defaults. This resolves many runtime mismatches. Once cleared, open your mod manager and adjust load order. Place Chaos Cosmos immediately after its core dependencies, usually within the first 3 slots, because load order determines initialization sequence. Then check file permissions and run the game with elevated rights. Lacking access often prevents assets from loading correctly, so make sure the mod folder is writable. To finish, reinstall Chaos Cosmos cleanly. Remove the mod directory, reinstall from the packaged files, and verify checksums where possible to ensure integrity. Once reinstalled, test using a vanilla save or a fresh profile to determine whether the failure is save-specific or systemic. If the mod still fails to load, collect the game's log files and error output and apply any community compatibility patches. Make sure to report the exact log lines to a support thread so you and others can resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.